To grab Lily there on either side of her mouth with both of your hands, she is not going to be able to open her mouth at all. Female, we call her Lily. Lily, like lily pad. Now, on the contrary to that, the opening power of her jaw is only 5 psi. Now, that's so little, I'm not kidding you when I tell you this. Just about anybody on this boat, besides the kids, of course, can grab Lily there on either side of her mouth with both of your hands. She is not going to be able to open her mouth at all. This type of grass is called sawgrass, okay? Now you want to be very careful with the sawgrass. I'm going to show you why. But the first thing you are going to realize when it comes to sawgrass, guys, is that it does get that name for a very good reason, okay? When you pass this piece of grass around, you're going to notice it does have 3 different sides to it, and all 3 sides are serrated just like a steak knife. They're very, very sharp. Now the serrations, they face upwards, so if you really wanted to, you could grab it from the bottom. You could carefully, slowly run your hand to the top of it. Nothing would happen.